Hey everyone! Today I've decided to extend my previous trip to a serene and expansive place of peace and open space. This time I had a specific goal in mind that I wanted to achieve. It's an Instagram-worthy location that hasn't gained much popularity among tourists yet. The radar station tower at Ossenisse is open as a public attraction. Steel stairs allow visitors to access the top of the radar tower, which is connected to the Scheldt radar chain. This chain monitors shipping activity from the western Scheldt estuary to the port of Antwerp. Riding a bicycle by yourself is primarily a way to help yourself, both physically and morally. After all, it is a very pleasant feeling when you observe the urban landscape transform from an anthill into cozy villages, and those villages into endless fields.
I see it staying on that side, but here it's written that to the another side it's going only after afternoon already. So I'm a bit confused. Should I go and try to spot another bridge like the last one I took? Or should I go home? I'm a bit frustrated. I decided that I will better ride close to the railway than to some highways. So I changed my route, which was suggested by Google. Twice or 3 times Google tried to convince me to go another way, but I saw some bunch, so I decided to take a stop and eat some apple. I saw some motivation stands like you are here and this is the road which remains for you to Ghent, but I'm not going to Ghent. I will deviate a bit. So now just a stop.
I followed the F4 cycle route that connects Antwerp and Ghent. However, since I don't have a phone holder to follow the GPS, I often rely on my memory, which sometimes leads me off the road. Nevertheless, this approach allowed me to pay closer attention to small details. Closer to the final point, the wind began to increase. The last 20 kilometers were particularly difficult. Even though the road didn't seem to have an incline, the ride was mostly uphill. However, for now, I want to leave you to watch the grass swaying and the ships sailing sluggishly. I traveled such a long way for this. The way back was as easy as the wind. My bike rolled downhill meditatively towards the border with Belgium. I still don't understand how it worked because I can say that the landscape was formed by hills, and I could see the road for quite a long distance, both towards the location and back. At some point, after crossing the border into Belgium, something went wrong. I fell off my bike because I went off the road for some reason. I would say I rode too close to the right edge. I am grateful to the locals who advised me to leave the bike and call the hospital. I received the help I needed, but I didn't manage to finish the cycling tour that day. Instead, I returned home by train. During this journey, I went through all the stages of experiencing the situation: shock, despair, bargaining, more despair, resignation, and acceptance. After all, right at the beginning, I wasn't able to follow the planned road twice. First, where was no ferry crossing, then where were road repairs. Wasn't that enough to give up and go home? I took the following videos, then I went to pick up my bike and came across a number of interesting locations. Remember that when riding a bike you must wear a helmet, all fluids not prescribed in the traffic rules. Carry an antiseptic, plaster, bandage and the minimum set of tools to repair your bike if necessary.
I was waiting for a sign. That's it. No. It literally means no.